Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in today's video I am going to do a keyword research about logbooks. Logbooks keyword research. This is video all about that. And why logbooks? In this video I am going to discuss in detail why you need to publish logbooks and why you should niche down and how you can get over 90 plus keyword for as low as $1. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. And you need to subscribe to my channel because I love to publish videos about low and no content books, and I also publish videos on low and no content book keywords and niche research. So let's get started. So why logbooks? You should get into logbooks niche because logbooks is a huge and very profitable niche. Number two, it also has low competition sub niches as well, and most importantly, it's an evergreen niche, not niches. It's an evergreen niche, which means books in this niche tend to sell throughout the year. And last but not least, in this video, toward the end of the video, I will show you how you can get over 90 plus logbook keywords for as low as $1. So let's do some keyword research about logbooks. Firstly, check out the logbook niche. Over 100,000 results for logbooks. Just click on this search box, and here you can see this book comes first, that is simple inventory logbook. There is a very huge list of sub niches in the logbooks. So in this video we will cover these as well. So its seller rank is 79,587. Let's check it out, the number of books it is selling. Just type Kindlepreneur royalty calculator and just click on the first link, and here we will put the Amazon bestseller rank for the books, 79,587, and click. It is selling 2 books per day, which means 30 books per month, and if every book is earning $2, it means it is making $60 per month. That is not bad, it's very good as actually. The next book is Construction and Maintenance Daily Log. Its sales rank is 40,461. 40,461. This book is selling 5 copies per day, which means 5 copies per day, 150 copies per month, and $300 per month. That is very impressive. Let's check it out. Our next book, that is Diabetes Logbook. Its sales rank is 25,539. 25,539, and it is selling 9 copies per day. Very impressive, which means 9 into 30, 9093, 270 copies per month, and which means around $600 or $550 per month. That all suggests that logbook niche is a very profitable and very lucrative niche, and you should get into it. So let's do our keyword research part for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do subscribe and also hit the like button. So I will open new incognito window. That is new incognito window. I have also opened this Excel sheet, and what I am going to do is just type. I'm using a USA zip code so that I will get the maximum results. Just type logbook or logbooks, and then wait for the Amazon, what is the extension name? suggestion expander. When this show us the additional keywords, just take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot and then open a Paint document and here Ctrl+V. In this way we have a screenshot of the main keywords, that is logbook for business. I'm gonna note down all these keywords: logbook for business. Next is logbook, notebook. Next is logbook for passwords. And our next keyword is logbook journal. And our next keyword is logbook for kids. Logbook for kids and logbook for diabetics. And our next keyword is logbook for truckers. And next keyword is logbook for blood pressure. You can also type blood pressure logbook pressure. And next is logbooks for office. Logbook for office. And next is keyword before is mileage logbook. That also can be vehicle mileage logbook, or vehicle maintenance logbook is another niche. Logbook. Blood pressure logbook. Now you can see the keyword is changed now. And next is diabetes logbook. And our next keyword is fishing logbook, running logbook. These are two sub-niches: fishing logbook, running logbook. And then is keyword after logbook diving. Logbook diving. And next is logbook for diamond painting. And logbook aviation. Logbook for taxis, logbook for diabetic kids, logbook for truckers, logbook for fishing, logbook with dates. These are all sub niches. You can note down all these keywords and then check out the Google search volume and then input these individual. You can also type logbook A and note down every keyword, then type logbook B, then C, just like that, A to Z. You can also type logbook for, then take a screenshot of this and also note down these keywords here. So make your list as bigger as you can. You can also type other variation of logbooks, like instead of typing logbook separately, you can type it as a single word like this, and then take a screenshot of this whole thing and note down all the keywords, and then input these keywords individually to note down the Amazon search results. So you can use keyword everywhere for noting down this Google search volume. But in this video I am gonna show you a link to an Excel sheet in which I have done all this thing. I have also noted down about 96 keyword, and I also noted the Google search volume for every keyword. Then also I have also noted the Amazon search results, like putting this individual keyword here and then searching it here in the Amazon search, and I have turned on my keyword everywhere, and I have noted everything to evaluate the profitability of these keywords. 70,000 results, and search volume is 0. So I have noted these everything, and like this I have also noted the link for every keyword, search keyword, so that you can go back and check it out at a later stage. So just click this link and you will be here on the search keyword. Already keyword is in the search bar and everything is set up for you. So I am turning this off because I have already done this, and I want to show you my work, and this is all work I have done for you. There are 95 keywords, and in every keyword I have searched the keyword individually and ran through every keyword in the Amazon search bar. I have noted down the Google search volumes using keyword everywhere plugin. I have also noted down the Amazon search result, and I have also noted down the links to individual keywords searched in the Amazon search bar. So I am giving this for only $1. I have done this and it took me around 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and I am giving this for only $1. Just check out the first link in the description, or the link will be in the very first comment box, in the very first comment, sorry. So you can get this and get into a niche that is very profitable. You can also get the interiors. I will also give a link to interiors, that is Creative Fabrica. That is very good resource. You can come here. Also there will be a link in the description, and you can search here Logbooks, and you can get your interiors as well, your keyword and your interior. There will be a link to both in the description. You can see these are all the over 60 logbooks are here on the Creative Fabrica. You can get the keywords, you can get the interiors from Creative Fabrica, and just you need to make a cover and publish the book on Amazon and make royalties. Things are not so simple, but you need to put in some work. So for you people, I have made this easier by arranging this keyword list. You can get it for only $1. That is all from me today. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.